To make iSteady X works well with new features, it's better to upgrade new firmware when it is available. Before upgrading firmware, please correctly mount your mobile phone on the gimbal. Turn on the Bluetooth of phone and be sure the location service is permitted in the app and enabled in your phone. Searching the Bluetooth to connect iSteady X. Tap Start Recording to enter the camera screen. The app will notify if there's new firmware available to upgrade. Upgrading completed. Thanks for watching.